Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about BCD conversion. It is nothing but binary coded decimal. It means that decimal numbers are easy to handle for us, but digital systems understands only binary numbers. Hence, the combination of both decimal and binary numbers are made. These are called binary coded decimal or 8421 code. A decimal number in BCD is same as the equivalent binary number when the number is in between 0 and 9, where BCD number greater than 10 is different even though it contains zeros and ones. Okay, if you want to represent a single decimal digit, for example, I can represent 11 each and every bit separately. Whereas binary, we are going to represent all 11 by using two powers like this 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So these are the binary powers. Okay, difference between binary and BCD, I want to represent 12. Okay, in binary as well as BCD. How we are represent 12 in binary as well as BCD? It means that generally to represent binary as 8421 code or two powers. Okay, and also same as BCD, general representation code is 8421 code only. Okay, and BCD is a special code which represent single decimal digit. Okay, we already know it. BCD general representation is 8421 code. um, Here I can represent 12 and BCD representation. Here what can I do? Here I am separating each bit separately. Okay, here I am separating each bit separately. First bit is 1. Okay, one binary equivalent is one binary equivalent value is 0001 and two binary equivalent value is 0010. So this is the simple way to calculate large number of digits when compared to binary number system, because in binary we have to calculate digits in all two powers like binary powers. So this is complex. Okay. Next, BCD or binary coded decimal is the number system or code which has the binary numbers or digits to represent a decimal number, and a decimal number contains 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. Now the equivalent binary numbers can be found out of these 10 decimal numbers. In case of BCD, the binary number formed by 4 binary digits will be the equivalent code for the given decimal digits. In BCD, we can use the binary number from 0 to 9. These are the binary equivalent values of 0 and 9. Sorry, 0 to 9 only. Okay, which are the decimal equivalent from 0 to 9 respectively. Okay, suppose if a number have single decimal digit, then its equivalent binary coded decimal will be respect to 4 binary digits of that decimal number. And if the number contains 2 decimal digits, then its equivalent BCD will be the respect to 8 binary of the given decimal number, and 4 for the first decimal digit and next 4 for the second decimal digit. It may be cleared for example. Okay, let here I am taking a 12 decimal number whose equivalent binary coded decimal will be the binary equivalent value. Here next 4 bits from LSB is binary equivalent of 2 and next 4 is the binary equivalent of 1. So in tabular form we can see the binary as well as BCD code for the decimal numbers 0 to 50. Okay, from the table we can conclude that after 9 the decimal equivalent binary number is of 4 bits, but in case of BCD it is an 8 bit number. Okay, this is the main difference between binary number and binary coded decimal, that is BCD. Okay, for 0 to 9 decimal numbers both binary and BCD is equal, but when decimal number is more then 1 bit BCD differs from binary. Okay, here this is, we already know it. These are the binary powers and corresponding binary weight 8, that is weight 8421 code. Okay, next this is the tabular form for decimal numbers and corresponding binary numbers and as well as BCD codes. Okay, here we have decimal numbers 0 to 15, but generally we have decimal numbers are 0 to 9. Okay, and corresponding binary numbers also 0 to 9. But in case of 9 exceeds, the BCD value will be changed here. Okay, if you take an example of 10, okay, here what we can do, here I am separating each bit separately. Okay, first one binary equivalent value is 0001. In BCD we observe it. Okay, in BCD we observe one binary equivalent value is 000 and 0 equivalent value is 4 zeros. Okay, this is the decimal number of 10 in corresponding BCD code. Okay, next example, if you can represent 12, in this we can apply the BCD representation. Okay, here one binary equivalent value is 0001 and two binary equivalent value is 0010. So this is the way we can represent BCD code by using the decimal numbers. Okay. Next, BCD takes advantage of the fact that any one decimal number can be represented by a 4-bit pattern. This is also called 8421 encoding. So this is the simple tabular form of 0 to 9 decimal numbers and corresponding BCD codes by using the 8421 code. Okay. Next, BCD code is also known as 8421 code. So because each of the 4 bits is given a weighting code according to its column value in the binary system, the least significant bit, that is LSB, has the weight or value of 1. The next bit going to left, the value is 2, and the next bit has the value is 4, and the most significant bit, that is MSB, value is 8 as shown in further table. So the 8421 BCD code for the decimal number 6 is binary equivalent value is 0110 is the binary equivalent value for the decimal number 6 by using the code 8421. Check this in the tabular form. For the numbers greater than 9, the system is extended by using a second block of 4 bits. Okay, to represent tens, and third block to represent hundreds, etc. Okay, consider a decimal number 185 and its corresponding value in BCD as binary as shown in below. Okay, here I am taking an example of 185 decimal number to the binary number. Okay, these binary equal numbers are 8 bits and 185 decimal number is converted into BCD form. Here what we can do, here one binary equivalent value is 0001 and 8 binary equivalent value is 100 and 5 binary equivalent value is 0101. This is the way we are separating each bit. So finally we have 12 bits. So the BCD value has 12 bits and the equivalent binary number has 8 bits. Okay, this is the way we are converting decimal to BCD as well as binary. And this is the tabular form for the previous slide. Here least significant bit, that is LSB, is 1 and most significant bit MSB is 8. And here we have the decimal numbers 0 to 9 and corresponding BCD codes 8421. Okay. Next, this is the truth table for the binary coded decimal. We have so many decimal numbers have. Okay, we can represent in BCD form by using 8421 code. Okay, so here we observe if I take 12, okay, 12 decimal number here. Here what we can do, 1 plus 2, we are adding 1 plus 2. Okay, here we are adding 1 plus 2 is and corresponding BCD code. Okay, corresponding BCD code is here 1 binary equivalent value is 0001 and 2 binary equivalent value is 0010. Okay, here simply we are adding numbers, decimal numbers. Okay, next, uh, advantages and disadvantages of BCD. First, advantages. The advantage of BCD is we need to remember only the binary numbers from 0 to 9 as we encode only one decimal digit at a time. Okay, and disadvantage is rules for binary addition do not apply to the entire BCD number or 8421 code but only to the 4-bit group. Okay, thank you.